Okay, so here I have everything. This video is about the storage upgrade, the final chapter, where I have everything right here: the chassis, the drives, the cables. I've made the videos about these things. Well, I already started. I put the HBA card that I have at like an aux fan to it. The expander sitting here on the GPU mining adapter, which works. I already tested it on my system here before. It works, it's fine. I'm using a mini ITX motherboard here, so that's why I had to use this expander. So only one PCI Express, so it's fine. That's all I need. Ignore the mess. I'm going to tidy up everything obviously once I'm done, but right now I'm going to put the drives in, and we'll start the system right away. I want to see how it runs, and yeah, so I'm just gonna do it right now because I want to get into it. I want to start doing this, so I'll pick it back up once I have everything inside, so we can take a look at that, how it looks like. Alright, so this is the everything that I needed to do on the storage upgrade thingy. Like this is the final part of it. It's not pretty. It's not pretty at all. I mean, there is no way you can cable manage inside this chassis like in a proper way. It's not existent on this one. I just did the best I could, getting the cables out of the fan's way over here, and yeah, I think it's alright. Like, these are not even in the direction of the airflow, and I think this is what the goal should be. I mean, there is no side panel or anything. There is like a non-glass. It's just gonna go over. It's gonna cover the whole thing, so nobody's gonna see this anyway. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied. I got like it says 184 terabyte, but it's because it's used by some other. But yeah, it's 187 terabyte overall usable space. Yeah, this is pretty crazy. Like, I have 9 18 terabyte exos, 1 14 terabyte X16 exos, 3 6 terabyte hard drives, and 4 terabyte Western Digital Purple, and a 3 terabyte Western Digital Purple, and a couple of 500 gigabyte drives, and just another laptop mounted in here, like a hard drive, just 750. It's just like a bunch of disks, JBOD array. That's what I made here. No redundancy, no nothing. It's just to run everything that I have into one large volume. So, and yes, I'm running Windows on it. I needed a drive pool. I've been using this software for ages, and there is no reason to change. I'm currently RDP'd to the server right here, and I don't care if somebody says, "Oh, install TrueNAS, install whatever." No, fuck that. Windows. I'm with Windows. I'm with drive pool. That's what I like to use. That's what I'm using. That's it. So anyway, this is the end of this project. I'm just gonna put the cover on right now and put it where I'm planning to put it. And yeah, that's it. It's over. Thank fuck, it's over. Hope you enjoyed this little series. If you would like to see more videos like that, make sure you're subscribed, stay tuned, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.